It's 4:40 a.m. I'm on my way to the airport. I'm going to Texas today. Back at the airport again. Take care, sir.
Yep, go to one,
There you go.
right, go down the corridor and speak to
Been waiting to open this. You have one of these?
This is a Nintendo thing?
Yeah.
No, I've just seen it. Yeah.
This has to be the only in-flight Switch unboxing. Alright, so this appears to be the tablet. Joy-Con. Joy-Con 2.
Our minute place near smaller item on this flight. We are pleased to offer your personal device entertainment. One of our users.
Charger. Controller handle. The problem with all really good video games is that I won't get any work done until I beat that game. It's so good though.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Austin, where the local time is 9:16 a.m. They'll be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt on.
Take care.
All right, back in Austin, Texas.
Is that you?
Just the hotel. Bad traffic, huh? Okay, hotel. Check in, change, shower, run. Alright, so I'm here in Austin, Texas for the South by Southwest. It's like a music festival, film festival, technology festival. I'm here with CNN. I'm speaking at an event tomorrow afternoon. So I kind of have a lot of free time, but there are like a zillion people in this town, and it's a little hard to get around. I mean, like, you can't get a taxi, it's hard to walk, it's packed, but I did bring. I got the boosted board, so before that happens though, I'm meeting my friend Ryan, and we're gonna go for a run. Okay, I'm running with Ryan. 2 miles, how many miles?
4.27.
How many more?
6.
Okay. So we can't swim? Ah. We were gonna go swimming, but we can't go swimming because it's closed. Solid 10-mile run with Ryan. Quick shower, then I'm gonna go meet Paul. then I'm gonna go meet Paul for lunch. Alright, leaving the room. My like room comes with access to like an executive lounge. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna go find out. I just ate 4 of those cookies. I gotta get out of here. Lunch was good, lunch was good.
Lunch was delicious, it really was.
Now Paul goes to work and I'm gonna go to bed. Paul? Later. That's the convention center there where like the whole South by Southwest event is. I'm just kind of bopping around now. It's the best way to see the city is on a skateboard, especially when it's like this whole street's closed. When it's this congested, you can just zoom around on the skateboard. What's up? I'm Casey.
Jeff, Casey's the shit. Hopefully you see me on a video one day. This motherfucker rocks.
Nice to meet you, man. My favorite thing about coming here every year are meeting all the friendly people. There are so many great... Nice car. Are you taking a still or a picture?
Video.
All right. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Casey.
Can I have a triple grande skim iced latte, please? That's not a drone shot. I'm actually just in my hotel room. All right, I'm going to like a dinner now. That's kind of the end of my first day here at South by Southwest. It was pretty awesome. How about this for an end of the day surprise? Look at these delicious treats. This is some sort of guitar with bar snacks. These are cookies or something. Those look like bonbons. And look at this note. I don't know what that font is, but it's very handsome. Dear Casey, we're excited to have you. Well, hey, thanks a lot, JW. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and eat this, and see you tomorrow.